Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Today let us continue the lesson Bipin Chaudhary's Lapse of Memory. In our previous session we came to know that Bipin Chaudhary, he went to Kali Charan's bookstall. During that time he got a strange feeling that someone was observing him from the close quarters. So in order to check that, he turned round and he found a person, round faced, a meek looking man, and that person smiled towards Bipin Babu, and he started to speak to him as if he knew Bipin Babu very well. But Bipin Babu got confused because for the first time he was seeing that person, but that person was talking to him as if he knew him very well. So, in order to get it confirmed, he asked him if they had met before, if they had met each other before. Then that man, he looked in a surprising manner and he said that they met every day for a whole week, and he arranged a car for Bipin Babu to go to Hudru Falls in 1958, where in Ranchi. And also he said his name was Parimal Ghosh. Then what is the reaction of Bipin Babu? See, Ranchi, hearing this, he was surprised. He said, Ranchi. Now Bipin Babu realized that it was not he but this man who was making a mistake. Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. He had been at the point of going several times but never made it. He smiled and said, "Do you know who I am?" See here. Now Bipin Babu realized that it was not he, but this man was making a mistake. Probably that man, Parimal Ghosh, misunderstood. He was searching for another person. Probably he thought that person is me. Like that, Bipin Babu thought for a moment. See, Bipin Babu realized that it was not he, but this man who was making mistake. He was making mistake. He mistook that another person as him. Bipin Babu had never been to Ranchi. Why he is thinking so? Because Bipin Babu never been to Ranchi. Okay. He had been at the point of going several times. Several times he wanted to go. He was about to go. Okay. At the point of going several times. Okay. But never made it. But he did not go. He had never been to Ranchi. He smiled and said, so he smiled and said, "Do you know who I am?" He asked this question to Parimal Ghosh. The man raised his eyebrows, bit his tongue, and said, "Do I know you? Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary?" Then that man raised his eyebrows. Raising eyebrows, it indicates what? Expressing surprise. Okay. Bit his tongue. He bit his tongue also and said, "Do I know you? Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary? Who doesn't know Bipin Chaudhary?" Like that he asked to him. Bipin Babu now turned towards the bookshelves and said, "Still you are making a mistake. One often does. I have never been to Ranchi." Then Bipin Babu, he turned towards the bookshelves and said, "Still you are making mistake. Okay, one often does. Again and again you are doing the same mistake. I have never been to Ranchi." In a firm voice, he is telling, "I have never been to Ranchi." The man now laughed aloud. Now that man Parimal Ghosh, he started to laugh aloud. In a loud voice, he started to laugh. What are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You had a fall in Hudru and cut your right knee. I brought you iodine. I had fixed up a car for you to go to Netherhath the next day, but you couldn't because of the pain in the knee. Then that person is telling, what are you saying, Mr. Chaudhary? You had fall in Hudru Falls. Okay, when you came to Ranchi, when you visited Ranchi, during that time you had a fall, you fell down there and cut your right knee. There was a cut because of fall. You got a cut on your right knee. I brought you iodine. During that time I brought you iodine. Iodine means see here, an antiseptic incorporating the element. Okay, it's antiseptic. Okay. So I brought iodine to you. I had fixed up a car for you to go to Netherhath the next day. And after that I only fixed car for you to go to Netherhath the next day. But you couldn't because of the pain in the knee. But you could not go Netherhath because you had pain in the knee. Can't you recall anything? Can't you recall all these things? He is asking. Someone else you know was also in Ranchi at that time. At that time, someone was there whom you know very well. Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. Who was that another person? Mr. Dinesh Mukherjee. You stayed in a bungalow during that time. During your visit to Ranchi, you stayed in bungalow. You said you didn't like hotel food and would prefer to have your meal cooked by a bawarchi. During that time, you told me that you didn't like hotel food and would prefer to have your meal cooked by a bawarchi. Bawarchi means cook. Okay. Mr. Mukherjee stayed with his sister. Okay, Mukherjee, that Dinesh Mukherjee, he stayed with his sister. You had a big argument about the moon landing. Remember, one day you had a big argument about moon landing. Probably with Dinesh Mukherjee, he was arguing there. Moon landing, about moon landing, they were arguing. What do you mean by moon landing? See here, the safe arrival of a spacecraft on the surface of the moon. Okay. So about the moon landing, there was argument. Remember, I'll tell you more. You always carried a bag with your books in it on your sightseeing trips. Am I right or not? Okay. And again he is telling, not only this, still I can tell you many more things. And during your trip time, okay, sightseeing trips means tourism. During your tour time, you always used to wear a bag, and inside the bag you always used to keep some books. Okay. Am I right or not? What are the things I am telling? Are they correct or not? He is asking to Bipin Babu. Who? Parimal Ghosh is asking all these things to Bipin Babu. Let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session.